Hello and welcome back to the Twins and Me. Today's video I'm going to just be sharing some of my favourite vegan books, like cookbooks. I know that a lot of people are starting or have started Veganuary, and some people who have been vegan for a long time. I love getting book recommendations because I do love a book, and I have got quite a lot of vegan books. But I've just picked out my 5 favourite ones, the ones that are my go-to ones, the ones that I just love. And I'll explain why I like them so much and maybe a couple of my favourite recipes out of them. So if you're new here, my name's Amy. Sometimes the girls are involved still. But I post videos, sort of lifestyle videos, so there'll be recipes, there's DIY, skincare, gardening, allotment, we've got an allotment, days out when we're allowed back out again, and lots of things like that. So if you like that kind of thing, I'd love you to stick around and subscribe, and I'm going to get on with the video. So I will start with the Deliciously Ella ones. So I've got these 2. So I think this was her original one, and then this one, and I think she's got another couple that are out as well, which I'd like to try. This one I tend to go to most. I've got little stickers in there to my favourite things or things to try. The reason I like the Deliciously Ella ones is because then it's not just about vegan food, it's about whole vegan food, so healthy vegan food, because you can be vegan and still be very unhealthy with your food choices, whereas these books are what I would call healthy vegan. So one of the recipes that I love is this trail mix. So it's not really for a meal. There are meals in here, but there's also like sweet treats and some lunches and smoothies and stuff. But this trail mix, I love the cinnamon and maple one. It's dead easy. Just put all the nuts in a pan, put it in the oven with the cinnamon and maple, and it's a nice little snack. Another one that I love is the chickpea, quinoa and turmeric curry. Can't go wrong with a veggie curry. And one of the other things that we have quite a lot, well, we have this one because this is so easy, very, very easy and quick to make, that one. And I tend to have the ingredients, so if I haven't planned my dinner very well, then I know that I've got that kind of thing in the cupboard. This is another one, creamy carbonara. That's a really nice recipe. That's Craig's favourite. And then in this one, we like the raw brownies. Nice little treat. So that's my 2 Deliciously Yellow books that I really recommend. And also, if you follow her on Instagram, and she also has an app as well, which you pay, I think it's something like 99p a month or something, and you get lots of recipes on there as well. The next one is the Happy Pear book. And if you read my blog, because I do like a weekly meal plan on my blog I share, some of the recipes are from these books, some I get off of Pinterest, but I just put together a weekly meal plan. And this book is filthy, so that's a good sign that it's well used. And this, excuse the state of the page, is by far our favourite recipe. This mac and cheese we have quite a lot of the time, and I do it cold in, Chloe has it for lunch as well. It is her all-time favourite. And another one that we have quite a lot is, which I can never, is these sausage rolls. They're really nice as well. Really good flavour of them. And also the sub, I think it's called meatball sub. Obviously it's not meatball. Oh, this one, meatball sub. That's really nice as well. That's another one that we have quite a lot. They've got a new one that's just come out as well. It's on my Amazon wish list, so I'm going to get that. So yeah, another book that I highly recommend. And then the next one is this, which I know doesn't sound great, the How Not to Die cookbook. Again, it's full of really healthy, whole food meals. And our favourite one from this is by far this black bean burger. It's really, really easy to make. It's healthy and it's really, really tasty as well. So yeah, this How Not to Die cookbook. And if you haven't read the How Not to Die book as well, I recommend that as well. It's a really good book to read. So that's that one. And then my last one is this Leon Fast Vegan. Now this is a big book and I've probably not tried as many from here because some of the recipes are long. If there's a long list of ingredients, it just puts me off. So, but one of the ones of my go-to ones in here is the butternut roasted garlic and sage risotto here. I've not tried this one, but I will try that one as well. But that's really nice, really easy, and really tasty. That's what a lot of them. That's what you want, isn't it? So this has got lots and lots of recipes in here for you to try. So there's bound to be something that floats your boat in there. And then also, these aren't books, and I know I've done my 5 books, but I just wanted to recommend these, the Vegan Food and Living, this is the new one, magazine. These are packed with recipes every month, and I've made quite a lot out of these. I haven't made anything out of this one yet, I've only just got this one, but they have some good information. Like this one's got a thing on like iron, which I read the other day because I'm low in iron, I always have been. So they've got some good articles and some fantastic recipes in there. So there'll be dinners, then there's desserts as well. So that's something to look out for. That's in the UK. I don't know if they do these in different countries. It's $4.99 for the magazine. And yeah, they've got some really good recipes in there. I've got a few, I don't buy it every month, but I've got a few from different months as well. So that's my recommended vegan books for you to try. If you have any that you absolutely love as well, please comment down below, because as I say, I love getting recommendations for books. I have got a few on my list. I think I say the Happy Pear one, the new Deliciously Ella one, maybe the Bosch one's supposed to be really good as well. So they are on my list to try as well. And I am going to share some more recipes of some vegan foods, and I've also got some videos which I'll link down below of not what we eat, meals of the week videos. Now these they're not all vegan because it was before we started doing Veganuary, but a lot of them are vegan, and if not, they are definitely all vegetarian, which you can then adapt anyway. So I'll link them down below, but obviously going forward, we're going to have a lot more vegan ones. So if you like to see the food made, or it gives you ideas on things that you can cook, then subscribe so that you don't miss out on them videos. And also, if you're not vegan, you might want to just change one meal a week, cut out meat one meal a week. which is great if you can do that as well. So you just want some other ideas. So yeah, that'll give you lots of ideas. So I hope you enjoyed this video and you found it interesting to see the book recommendations, and I'll see you all in the next video.